and the public relations person Praveena is also here. They had approached Government of India for various different things. They have given a large amount to the PM CARES so that all over the country help and establishing facilities for meeting COVID challenge can be addressed. And after that also, they said they will be interested in establishing emergency facilities to meet up with the requirements for COVID. God forbid, none of us want it, but just in case there is a third wave, or in the meanwhile if COVID patients require complete attention. So they volunteered, and that very day when they met me and volunteered, I did say do it in Bengaluru, do it in some parts of rural Karnataka. They readily complied and did for Yelahanka and also Kalaburgi in the North Karnataka area. They have adopted different models as is required by the government. There they wanted some kind of facility, here they have created this. But I'm very pleasantly surprised that it also has a child care area. All of them with absolutely state-of-the-art facility. Oxygen, intensive care, and particularly for the pediatric section, you saw the care which has been taken, every little facility, everything that the child might want, together with being with the mother or the father. So I thought I should visit, although they had completed this and readied it long ago. I didn't think it should wait for me to come, and after all, in the Union Cabinet, former Chief Minister of Karnataka, Sri Sadananda Gowda ji is there. So I requested Sadananda Gowda ji to come ready it. They don't need to wait for me. He gracefully agreed and he came and launched this facility. I'm very grateful for that step. He was very busy that weekend, but he still agreed that he will do it. So I'm grateful Sadananda Gowda ji agreed to do it. But I must say, to the credit of Boeing, they have established such facilities in some other parts of the country also. So I thought I should come and see that. All of you have gone inside and seen it. I think this is necessary for the time. All of us require this kind of medical facility. It is now available. It is available.